So Chuck here, pals, we've got the engine and transmission back in the 57 T-Bird, and he's moving right along on it. So what is it you're doing there, Jimmy? You're cleaning up those surfaces?
Yeah. These old manifolds were pretty bad condition, so they weren't made. So they were.
Just keep talking.
So they were leaking, blowing out. So I'm trying to take a file and just clean them up and get them as flat as I can, so where they'll seal.
Right. So you basically you're doing this so that it'll seal back up.
Yeah.
Now, when this came in, it was leaking exhaust around the manifolds, wasn't it?
Yeah, especially on the passenger side. This is the driver's side wasn't too bad, but the passenger side was blowing all over the place.
And that's primarily due to age and fatigue of the parts, correct?
Yeah, well, just age. Yeah, a lot of it was just used to be rust, and the cars from 1957. So.
Right. So as you can see here, pals, he takes great pains and hand filing these surfaces down to get them back to being perfect surfaces so that they'll seal properly on the car for the customer. Anyway, if you've got an old car that needs some work done, bring it to pals. We hope to see you soon.